Geneva, Switzerland's cosmopolitan jewel. Geneva, often referred to as the capital of peace, is a city that effortlessly blends international diplomacy, luxury, and natural beauty. Situated on the shores of Lake Geneva with the Alps in the background, Geneva offers a sophisticated travel experience with a touch of serenity. The Jet d'eau, a fountain that shoots water 140 meters into the air, is the city's most famous landmark. Take a stroll along the lake's promenade, or hop on a boat for a relaxing cruise that offers stunning views of the city and surrounding mountains. Geneva is also home to international organizations like the United Nations and the Red Cross, where you can take guided tours to learn more about their global impact. Explore the charming Old Town, where cobbled streets, cafes, and boutiques line the squares. Visit St. Pierre Cathedral for panoramic views of the city from its tower. Geneva's unique blend of global significance and Swiss charm makes it a must-see destination for travelers.